Ungqongqoshe wezeMidlalo, Ubuciko namasiko U-Mckenzie usethule ngokusemthethweni amaqembu ehlukene aqondene nezamasiko nobuciko eNirox Sculpture Park eKrugersdorp namuhla ngezithuba zasekuseni. Lolu hlelo kuhloswe ngalo ukubhekana nezinselelo ezike zakhungatha lomkhakha esikhathini esiphambili okubalwa kukho ukuhlakazeka kwamaciko, ukungalawuleki ngokufanele kanye nokungameleleki ngendlela kwalemboni ngokuthi ke bumbe ngokusemthethweni lamaqoqo ayishumi-nesikhombisa eminxeni yezobusiko noma ngathi ke yezobuciko. U-Mckenzie uthi ke lesi sinyathelo sizosiza ukukhulisa lomkhakha, uthole ke ukuhlonishwa okufanele uphinde ke uqinisekise ukuthi amaciko ahlonishwa ngemisebenzi ayenzayo.
Isebe lezemidlalo ubugcisa nenkcubeko lisungule ngokusesikweni amaqela aza kumela akhokhele kwezenkcubeko nobugcisa, ukuphucula ulawulo, uxanduva kunye nokuququzelela ukufikelela okuphuculweyo kwinkxaso-mali nokunika iqonga kwabo bakweli candelo ukuba baqame.
Next year, there must be 17 signature events in South Africa, funded by us. It can be a design in Daba, it can be spoken word, it can be hip hop, it can be a dance, extravaganza, whatever you call it. It must be theater, but we want one signature event and no arguments and conference there. Leave this thing of fighting. We are building. The 2 million was the first 2 million. Some of you, when we get to 10 million, you will be gone.
Umba ohambe phambili ngethuba lalomsitho ngulowo wokutyala kwicandelo lezenkcubeko nezobugcisa ukuze likwazi ukukhula kudaleke namathuba emisebenzi ongezelelekileyo.
We spent probably 100 million to bring Live Golf here. So far, they've counted 1.2 billion back into our economy. South Africa has a job creation problem. Here's the solution in this room. The solution is in this room to create jobs. So let us create jobs. So what I want to do is every cluster is going to get money, but it's going to be a drawdown. Now you got to listen very carefully what I'm bringing. There's going to be a certain amount for the clusters. Poetry is going to get an amount. Designs are going to get an amount. For you to book your own people to perform at Mzanziro. The people of visual arts, the people doing the filming, you're going to film for us what is happening there, and we're going to pay you your invoice.
Elisebe lithi ukuya phambili liza kuqinisekisa ukuba abo bakweli candelo bayawongwa ngokufanelekileyo. Kwiindaba zeSoweto TV, ndinguNomzabalazo Mduka eKrugersdorp.
Kulandela ukwethulwa kwamaqoqo azomela iphinde ihole ezobuciko namasiko, amaciko akasephefumule ngeyinselelo avame ukuhlangabezana nazo. Kanjalo ke noshintsho anethemba lokuthi azolibona. Bathi ke bafuna lo mkhakha ulawuleke kangcono, bethole ukumeleleka okungantengantengi, bephinde ke belekelelwe ngokwesekwa nokuhlonishwa komsebenzi wabo.
We are very much instrumental in making sure that our stories are told, and are told well, and are told in a manner that they can travel internally, meaning in South Africa, throughout the continent of Africa, and to big markets internationally, markets like MEPCOM, MEP, film festivals, etc. So yeah, we represent the industry. The more our stories are told, the more people are even exposed to our culture. You have seen what the music has done with Afrobeats. Afrobeats have changed the sound landscape, and we're planning to do that with our storytelling, where we narrate our stories and we translate and we change the landscape as well.
So for me personally, I'm a soft art designer, and so I was approached by Dasa. Dasa's the one that brought me here. So this is like a very big exposure moment for me. I get to meet a lot of people in the art space. It's huge, it's big. Like, I taught myself how to sew like 2 years ago. So I wouldn't say I expected to be here so soon, you know what I mean? So shout out to Dasa. This is a great experience, kinda.
I'm part of the board member of the 17 clusters created by the Minister of Arts and Culture, U-Mckenzie. It was started in last year. So I represent the visual arts sector. Hence you see that I'm doing a portrait. But as a board member, we also demonstrate that we can also do our artworks. You know, we not only speak by word of mouth, but we can actually do the action. So I think the sector is very, very important in terms of enabling artists to be able to reach their goals, because we have a footprint in all the provinces in terms of the representatives. We've got 9 board members in the cluster. As you would know, we have 9 provinces. So we've been on a reach out to all the provinces where we have workshops talking about artists, learning of the spaces that they're working in, what type of materials they're using, what type of collaborations they have, how can we assist, because we look at the programs and the projects that they are doing at those specific spaces and areas. So, as an artist, but also a consultant, a former lecturer, an art activist, I'm very much in the space to accentuate and enhance the work of the artists, being the visual arts.